Sorry everybody, I couldn't get it off the other screen. It was stuck. What's up everybody? We have some issues with our tickets real quick with our 5 days that we bought, so Char's working on that for a minute while we're doing this to see what happens. We bought the tickets quite a while ago and they're stating that they might not be valid, but we were able to make reservations for all the 5 days, so I'm confused on exactly what's going on, but I'm sure she'll let me know when she figures it out. How's everybody doing tonight? Yeah, you know Disney with their tickets. Yeah, if they were expired, I don't think they would let us make reservations. So now I'm really confused on exactly what the scenario is going to be for this one. Because I would assume if they were expired, they wouldn't let us book days, which we have all of our 5 days booked. So, yeah, super rainy today. Lightning, which is pretty amazing, but I think a lot of the rides are shut down because of lightning. So we'll have to just kind of see what's going on, but pretty stormy. Kayla helped your brother paint. Now you're sore. Sore from painting? I guess, yeah, lifting arms up and down all day long. That'll do it. Matterhorn, probably not. But like Thunder Mountain looked like it was shut. All the outdoor rides would look like they were pretty much shut down, so. So we'll have to just see what happens with these tickets. I don't know. I don't know. Kayla was busy lifting weights to get ready for the cookie battles today. Yeah. Char saying hi to everybody. I got my raincoat on. I got my umbrella out. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go get some stormy Disneyland filming done. But we're gonna have to wait and see what the management says. I'm assuming this is gonna be a problem if they're not, so. We're gonna just have to wait and see. Let's see the raincoat, Eric. It looks pretty much, it's black. I don't think you're gonna really be able to see much of anything. I got my, oh, hold on a second, Char's back. What's up?
It's gonna be fun.
Wait, where do we have to go? We gotta go ticket booth. Well, what did they say?
They're expired.
They're expired. Okay. How can you make reservations with expired tickets?
Good question.
I might have to mute this if I gotta yell at somebody though.
Yes.
There's no expiration date on them.
Nope. They don't have expirations.
Yeah. So this is gonna be interesting.
Yep.
Oh yeah, dude.
Do we get reimbursement for our time?
Well, I mean, they might just not honor the tickets.
Hi. Yeah. I think that second one should be cool. Thank you.
All right, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna have to mute. Actually, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm just gonna play a show real fast for you guys while we deal with this. So enjoy. What do you want? Halloween. Uh,